On this episode of Bar in the City, we're making guacamole. We're here with Chefs with Hart, my boy Hartley. Let's get at it. All right, so we've been talking about making a video for a while.
Yeah.
And it turns out you like guacamole.
Yeah.
Right? But not only do you like guacamole, but the avocados are really good for you, right?
Yes, 100%.
Tell them.
There's a lot of good fat in avocados, and it's really hard to get that fat into me. So guacamole is a great way to help me grow.
Right?
Yeah.
And not only is it good for you, but it tastes good too.
Yeah.
Right? All right, we're gonna prep some stuff up. We're gonna taste it, but we're gonna make it how you want to make it. All right?
Cool.
So then you can take this recipe home with you, and you can make it whenever you like to
Yeah.
get that good avocado in you. All right?
Cool.
All right. So, red onion, avocados,
Yeah. Most important part.
right? Cilantro,
Yeah.
also very important. Latino 5 spice, kosher salt,
Nice.
lime juice,
Yeah.
jalapenos. We've also made some nachos to go with that. So we're gonna start with the onion. So usually we'll do a whole onion, but I think I'm gonna do half an onion for this
Yeah,
one.
that's a good
okay?
idea.
So from this, you're gonna put half that lime juice in here. So this is gonna kind of pickle, so you don't have that rough onion flavor, okay? Next, what you're gonna do is we're gonna split the avocados.
Yeah, sir.
So watch your fingers, and cut in, and you're gonna turn,
Oh, yeah. Makes
Turn.
sense.
turn, boom.
Nice. Perfect.
Okay? You want nice ripe avocados for this. You don't want green ones.
Yeah.
They gotta be nice. You know, sometimes when you buy avocados in the store, you gotta hold them on your shelf for a day or two so they get nice and ripe.
Yep. A nice big batch of guacamole.
Yeah, buddy.
This looks so tasty.
Next up,
And
jalapenos. So while I'm doing this, why don't you put some salt in here?
yeah, that's a good idea.
You're probably gonna do that maybe 3 times.
Cool.
Okay? All right. So now, take one of the big spoons that's inside here.
Yep.
And you start mixing. Kind of want to crush it, smush it down a little bit. I like a little chunky still. Latino 5 spice. If you don't have this, you can use this cumin. And then last up but not least, the cilantro.
Yeah.
So it's probably about a half a bunch I'm gonna use for the 6 avocados.
That's a good idea.
I like to mix it up like this.
Oh, yeah.
And chop it down a little bit. Sometimes I'll put my hands in it.
Yeah.
Because that's the best mixing tool you can have.
Yeah.
Your hands.
A chef's best friend.
Right? So from there, we're gonna add our cilantro and give it a final little mix up. It's looking good, huh?
Yeah. It's making me hungry.
Okay, now why don't you grab a spoon and you tell me if you need more salt, if it needs more.
Could use a little more spice.
Yeah, okay, so we'll put some more jalapenos in it. I feel like I can probably use a little more salt.
Yeah, definitely.
Next up, we plate it. We're gonna give them the good stuff in here.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so we made the guacamole, right?
Yeah.
Money.
Money.
But we're really here is to talk about Chefs with Heart,
Uh-huh.
right?
So, what Chefs with Hart does is it raises money for the gift team at SickKids. So, what the gift team does is it helps kids like me with treatments, fun things, research, and all that stuff.
And this is all for intestinal failure. Right?
Yes.
So you can either check on my bio and Instagram, Latino 5 Spice, check on the Baro one, there'll be a link, or
You could go on Instagram at Chefs with Hart or chefswithhart.com.
all right, mi gente, that's it for this episode of Bar in the City, where we made Hartley's guacamole for
Yeah.
Chefs with Heart, right? Why don't you subscribe, like, and comment on how you like to eat your guacamole? Because you can
Have it on chips.
You can have it on chips.
You could have it on a burger.
You can have it on toast.
Yeah, or you could have it on a sandwich, or you could just
Have a big
straight up take a
spoonful of it,
spoon
right?
And
All right, mi gente, we're gonna get at this. So peace.